Here is a mistake almost every Python developer makes at some point: catching an exception, logging it, and moving on as if nothing happened. Log when your current layer can actually handle the problem or add meaningful context, and execution can safely continue. For example, if a config file is missing, but you have a sensible default, log a warning and keep going. The log tells operators something happened, but it is not catastrophic. Re-raise when your layer cannot fully recover and a higher layer needs to decide what happens next. Always think about your caller. If they're relying on your function's result to continue safely, they need to know it failed. Swallowing the exception robs them of that signal entirely. The anti-pattern looks like this: catch an exception, log it, then return none or an empty value. Now your caller has no idea something went wrong, and you have thrown away the original stack trace. This is the worst of both worlds: noisy logs and silent failures downstream. When you do re-raise, add context using Python's raise from syntax. This chains your new exception to the original, preserving the full stack trace while adding a meaningful higher level message. Callers see what failed at your layer and the root cause underneath. Log when you have handled it, re-raise when you have not. And always preserve context with raise from. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.